Hi friends, happy Thursday. I hope everyone is having a good day. I miss you all. So we've been learning about bees. We know bees make honey and honey is yellow. We know bees go to flowers to get nectar and pollen. That's what they eat. And we know bees live in beehives. So I thought today we could make a beehive. So what we're going to need is white paper. I'm using white paper to make my beehive because I don't have ink, but I am attaching the template of a beehive so you guys can just print it. But if you guys don't have a printer, you guys can draw it as well. We're going to need yellow paint and crayons. Okay, so I have my beehive here. When you guys print it out, or if you guys draw it, I want you guys to just color in the outlining of the beehive brown, okay? So let's do that together, friends. Okay. Doing the outlining of my beehive brown. Okay, and what does the beehive need for the bees to go inside? That's right, friends. We need a door for the bees to enter their home. Okay, so here's my door. Now, with my yellow paint, I put it on a little plate. I'm going to use whatever fingers I want to use, or whatever fingers my friends want to use, and I'm going to dip my fingers into the paint and just dot, 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 dot everywhere around my beehive. Everywhere. Okay, friends? Okay, if we get messy, we can wash our hands right after we finish. We're having fun. Okay. Now, I'm going to let that dry. And now, friends, we remember yesterday we drew bees with Miss Shoshana. So today we're going to draw some bees around our beehive, okay? So who remembers what colors did we use to make our bees today with Miss Shoshana? Yes, friends, it was yellow and black, okay? So I'm gonna start making my bee. Miss Shoshana said first we need for the body an oval. Then we need the face, a small circle for the eye, a smiley face. What else does it need? It needs wings. What else? Oh, it needs antennas. Can't forget the antennas. It needs, a tail. What else? Oh yeah, legs. And remember, the bee had stripes. It was a pattern of yellow and black. So I'm going to make stripes. And I'm going to do a pattern, friends. So I'm going to start first yellow, black, yellow, black, and yellow. Okay? So I have one bee, but I want to draw more than one bee. So I'm going to do another one here. Remember, dot for the eye, smiley face, wings, antennas, tail, legs. What else? Oh yeah, the stripes. So I'm gonna start, let's start with black here. Now yellow. Now black. Now yellow. Let's do another one up here. Dot, smiley face, the wings, the antennas, the tail, the legs, and its stripes. Yellow, black, yellow, black. Okay, now I'm going to draw a baby bee entering the beehive right here. The oval for the body, a small little circle for the eye, smiley face, baby antennas, baby wings, now the antennas, a tail, legs, and its stripes, friends. Then a yellow pattern, remember friends, yellow, black, yellow. So here, friends, I have my beautiful beehive. If you guys like, you guys can add as many bees as you like. You guys can put one here, 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 wherever you guys like. I can't wait to see pictures of your work. My bee, my Mr. Bee, is ready to go home. Bzzz. Okay, friends. I can't wait to see you guys. Bye. Have a good day.